Now, when you are done with your video, you can see the preview of it from here, and make sure to save your changes, and then you can export. So to export, simply hit the button here, export, and you can export as a video. And let's see what that does. So if I hit video, it will immediately start generating your video, and wait for this whole loading bar in here to load. And immediately when it exports the video, as you can see, it's quite fast for the video that we have created, and it will automatically save it to your device. And in here it will also prompt you to share that video. So if you would like, you can even share it to Instagram, to WhatsApp, or wherever you like right away. In this case, I'm just going to minimize this, and I'm actually going to go to my gallery. And as you can see now, the video is available in my gallery like that. So you can see the exported video right over there. Very, very nice. And you can now obviously share it from right over here as you wish. Let's go back to Pinreel. So you have also the option to share it as a GIF. Similar, just tap on it and it will generate a GIF for you. So a GIF is like a video, but in an image format. So you can use it in different places. And once again, it will prompt you to share the GIF that it has created, and automatically it will, of course, save it to your device as well. So if I go back to my gallery, now I can see my GIF right over there. And of course, since this is an image, you can't scrub off it on it, etc. Since this is like an image format. Perfect. So let's go back to Pinreel, and you can even save as a single image. So if I tap on that, it will prompt me to select where I would like to save. So let's say I would like to save this when he waves. Now I can hit export, and as you can see, it has generated an image for me at that specific time. So if I go back to my gallery, you can see that image right over here. Very, very nice feature for you. And in the end, let's see what else we have. Let's go back to Pinreel. If I go back in here, hit on export, you can even export a link to edit this design. So if I tap on that, it will generate a link in here, and I can copy that link to share it, or I can share it immediately with other people. So like that, now I can paste it in, for instance, WhatsApp, and share it with somebody, so others can edit your design, and they can open it right inside of Pinreel then. So that's the export features for Pinreel. Like this, as you can see, you can generate your own videos, export your own videos, your GIFs, images, and even share your designs with other people.